Hello and good day. Andy here with Pop Yachts. We're ready for some Hydra-Sports fishing fun. This is a 2006 model powered by Evinrude's E-Tech 250 horsepower outboard power on a action jack plate, providing even more versatility depending on load and conditions. 115-gallon fuel tank. Nice Lenco trim tabs, not one but two GPS and fish finder units. Freshwater tank on board. You can see the shower back here at the transom. Nice amount of deck space with fold down transom bench seats. Onboard live well. Wonderful hard top for shade. And then there's also telescoping Taco Grand Slam outriggers. This is the 2200 VX Vector Express model. Vector hulls, really nice build, good solid ride. I don't see any damage to the gel coat anywhere. It's beautiful pale yellow. Forward and rear spreader lights. Let's go ahead and hop up on deck. Centerline walk-through transom door makes water access easy. Non-skid patterns molded into both of these rear platform areas. Newer wash-down hose. Nice wide beam. Very comfortable helm design. Motor has 650 hours on it. Garmin Striker DV, and then brand new all color touchscreen pinch and zoom. The transducers are down view, side view. You got your classic dual frequency. Nice size cabin, plenty of seating inside, and there's a filler cushion. Turn that whole V berth into a bed. Freshwater sink here, and then you can see the Clarion stereo system. Battery selector switches. Just so much room. Live wells behind the captain's seat. And then a massive storage box under the port side passenger seat. Take some time, check out all of the high resolution photos we have posted on popyachts.com. Give me a call today with any specific questions. Look forward to meeting you for a walkthrough tour. Let's get you out on the water, fishing, cruising, and having fun. Go ahead and get the motor cranked up.